as faith leaders,
Jewish,
Christians,
Muslim,
Buddhist,
Hindu, and more.
we celebrate different beliefs,
but we link arms in unity for the greater good of our community.
We realize that our individual choices and freedoms cannot come at the expense of your health and well-being.
The Torah says, love your neighbor as yourself. So I wear a mask to protect you.
Jesus said, as you've done it unto one of the least of my brethren, you've done it unto me. So I will social distance to keep you safe.
The Quran says, whoever saves one life, it's as if he has saved all mankind.
So we wash our hands with care so we can contain the virus.
We are finding creative and effective ways to safely connect, for praise and worship,
For Shabbat,
for Holy Eucharist,
For Juma,
Sankirtan,
devotion,
and for time with extended family.
We are looking out for one another, ministering to the one, whomever it may be.
We are all connected. All are important.
we love the vulnerable, the lonely, and those on the front lines of healing and supply chains.
We engage with respect and offer kindness to leaders making difficult decisions, even when we disagree.
We live in difficult times, and changes are required from all of us.
We make our decisions based on love, morality, and the best of medical science, not expediency.
By doing these good things, we can emerge from challenges better and more connected than we were before.
Let's do it together, now and in the future, whatever it may bring.
Hagámoslo juntos, porque juntos somos más fuertes.
Because together we are stronger, together we are better, together we will prevail.